Chicken salad is a versatile and satisfying dish that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy weekday lunch, a light and refreshing dinner option, or a crowd-pleasing addition to your next gathering, chicken salad fits the bill. In this comprehensive article, we'll explore the art of making chicken salad, from selecting the best ingredients to creating mouthwatering variations. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills and discover the joys of a well-crafted chicken salad. Ingredients for classic chicken salad. For the chicken: 1. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3. Salt and pepper to taste. For the salad: 1. 3 cups cooked and shredded chicken, from above. 2. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 3. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 4. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 5. 2 teaspoons lemon juice. 6. 1/4 cup finely chopped celery. 7. 1/4 cup finely chopped red onion. 8. 1/4 cup finely chopped fresh parsley. 9. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional additions: 1. 1/2 cup grapes, halved. 2. 1/2 cup chopped apples. 3. 1/2 cup toasted pecans or almonds. 4. 1/4 cup dried cranberries. 5. 1/4 cup diced avocado. Instructions. Step 1. Cooking the chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the boneless, skinless chicken breasts on a baking sheet. Drizzle olive oil over the chicken breasts and season them generously with salt and pepper. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25-30 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it cool. Once cooled, shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces using 2 forks. Step 2. Preparing the dressing. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, and lemon juice until well combined. This creamy dressing forms the base of your chicken salad. Season the dressing with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning to your preference. Step 3. Assembling the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the shredded chicken, chopped celery, chopped red onion, and chopped fresh parsley. These ingredients add a delightful crunch and flavor to your salad. If you'd like to include any optional additions like grapes, apples, nuts, dried cranberries, or diced avocado, add them at this stage. These extras can provide sweetness, crunch, and creaminess to your salad, making it even more delightful. Pour the prepared dressing over the chicken and other ingredients in the mixing bowl. Gently toss all the ingredients together until the chicken and vegetables are well coated with the creamy dressing. Ensure an even distribution of ingredients. Step 4. Serving your chicken salad. Once your chicken salad is thoroughly mixed, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving. Chilling allows the flavors to meld and results in a tastier salad. When ready to serve, garnish your chicken salad with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or some extra chopped nuts for an attractive presentation. Enjoy your chicken salad on its own, as a sandwich filling, or atop a bed of crisp greens for a healthy and satisfying meal. Variations of chicken salad. While the classic chicken salad is undeniably delicious, there are numerous variations to explore. Here are a few ideas to spark your creativity. Curry chicken salad. Add curry powder, raisins, and chopped cashews for an exotic twist. Buffalo chicken salad. Toss the chicken in buffalo sauce and mix with blue cheese dressing, celery, and carrots for a spicy kick. Mediterranean chicken salad. Incorporate ingredients like feta cheese, Kalamata olives, cucumber, and red bell pepper, and dress it with a Greek yogurt and lemon dressing. Asian chicken salad. Combine shredded chicken with mandarin oranges, sliced almonds, and a sesame ginger dressing for an Asian-inspired flavor explosion. Avocado chicken salad. Mash ripe avocados into the dressing for a creamy, avocado-infused chicken salad. Conclusion. Chicken salad is a versatile, flavorful, and healthy dish that can cater to various tastes and occasions. Whether you're a fan of the classic recipe or eager to explore exciting variations, chicken salad is a crowd pleaser that offers endless possibilities. Experiment with different ingredients, dressings, and presentation styles to create your signature chicken salad that will leave everyone asking for seconds. So, don your apron, gather your ingredients, and embark on a culinary journey that celebrates the delightful world of chicken salad.